Making it simple. Reducing adverb clauses. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into a vital aspect of English grammar, reducing adverb clauses. This skill is incredibly useful for making your English more fluent and natural, so let's get started. To begin, let's quickly recap what an adverb clause is. Adverb clauses are groups of words that function as an adverb. They can modify a verb, an adjective, or an adverb in the main clause of a sentence. Typically, adverb clauses answer questions like where, when, why, how, to what extent, or under what condition. For example, I'll call you when I arrive at the office. Here, when I arrive at the office, is the adverb clause. Now, onto the main event, reducing adverb clauses. This means simplifying the adverb clause to a phrase, usually by eliminating the subject and changing the verb form. This makes your sentences smoother and more concise, without losing any meaning. Take the previous example. I'll call you when I arrive at the office. We can reduce it to, I'll call you upon arriving at the office. Isn't that neater? Let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to reduce these clauses. Here are the basic steps. 1. Remove the subject. If the subjects in both the main clause and the adverb clause are the same, we can remove the subject in the adverb clause. 2. Change the verb. After removing the subject, change the verb to its ing form, present participle, or to its past participle form, depending on the meaning of the sentence. Understanding is better with practice, so let's run through some examples. Full sentence. While she was studying, she kept the door closed. Reduced sentence. While studying, she kept the door closed. Full sentence. When it is heated, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Reduced sentence. When heated, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Try to create your own reduced sentences. Remember, practice makes perfect. And there we have it, folks. That's the art of reducing adverb clauses. With a bit of practice, you'll be a pro in no time, making your English sound more fluent and natural. Thanks for joining me in this lesson, and keep practicing your English. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about progress. See you in the next video, and happy learning!